That is really difficult to predict because, as I said, Goa is same like last year, a little bit in the patch where maybe they lost their confidence, whatever the reason is. For us, as I said, we have some problems with injuries. Although the team spirit will be there, I'm not scared of that. So it's a home ground. They have to normally have to put on the pressure more than from us. So overall, it's very difficult to predict. I really try to focus in these games only on ourselves, get all together, their mindset of that we need to win.
I think we've made a lot more mistakes in front of goal, you know, in chances which we should have actually been scoring.
En el último partido, por ejemplo, hemos tenido bastantes ocasiones de gol y no hemos marcado.
For example, in the last game, we had quite a few chances on goal, but we didn't take advantage of any of them.
Esos errores no se castigan igual que los errores que puedan cometer los defensas o un portero.
These errors are obviously not seen as such a bad light as the errors that the defensive aspect of the team commits.
Que los goles que hemos encajado.
What worries me more is the fact that we've only just scored once in the past 3 games rather than how many we've conceded at the back.